Lattanzio Gambara was born circa 1530, died March 18, 1574. He was an Italian painter, active in Renaissance and Mannerist styles. It is likely that Gambara is the same 16th-century painter referred to as Lattanzio Cremonese or Lattanzio da Cremona. In his maturity the artist returned to Brescia to work with Romanino in a series of generally lost frescoes for Sant'Eufemia and Saint Lorenzo in Brescia. He painted altarpieces, all but one of them now lost, for the abbey of Saint Benedict in Polirone, and also decorated Palazzo Mayo in Cadignano.